Hello class, welcome back. Welcome back to your maths class. So kids, in the last class we have completed our chapter measurement of length. ठीक है? So in the last class we have completed our chapter measurement of length. So now it's our turn to do a quick recall of the things that we have learned in that chapter. Okay, so we are going to do a quick recall of the things that we have learned in that chapter, that we have read in that chapter. Okay, now so I will start with conversion. So I will start with conversion. Okay, so today I will start lesson with conversion of units of length. Conversion of units of length. Now, I have told you several times. See, I have told you several times that whenever we convert from one unit to other, that means whenever we convert from the bigger unit to the smaller unit, so what we do? We multiply. Now see, if I have to convert from meter to centimeter, if I have to convert from meter to centimeter, what I should have done? I have to multiply. And if I have to convert from centimeter to meter, then I have to do the division. Okay? Now, meter to centimeter, whenever you will go, so you will multiply. And centimeter to meter, what you will do? You will divide. Okay. Now the question arises, how much to multiply and how much to divide. So, let us do that. Now 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. This you all know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. इतना तो सबको पता है, ठीक है? Now, if I ask you to convert the 2 meter, then if 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, then 2 meter is equals to 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Then 2 meter is equals to 2 into 100, that is 200 centimeter. Okay, now if I talk about 5 meter, so if 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, then 2 meter is equals to 2 into 100 centimeter, and then the 5 meter will be equals to 5 into 100 centimeter. So what you will get here? 5 into 100 centimeter is equals to 500 centimeter. 500 centimeter. 5 meter equals to 5 into 100 centimeter or 500 centimeter. This much you understand? Okay, now let us move towards some real question. So we are having 1 meter, 5 meter, 2 meter we have done now. Now convert. Okay, now my question is, convert the following into centimeter. Or convert into centimeter. Now, first question is 12 meter. First question is 12 meter. And the next question is 24 meter. 12 meter and 24 meter. 12 meter and 24 meter. Come on, solve this question. Come on, you know how to convert. Just do the conversion. Completed? Okay. Now see. So 12 meter. First line will remain the same. First line will be 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 12 meter equals to 12 into 100 centimeter. Now 12 into 100 centimeter is equals to how much? 12 into 100 centimeter is equals to 1200. 1200 centimeter. Now next question is 24 meter. This question. Again the first line will remain the same, that is 1 meter equals to. First line will remain the same, that is 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Then 24 meter is equals to 24 into 100 centimeter. 24 into 100 will give us 2400 centimeter. Completed? Okay, come on, note it down. चलिए नोट करिए इस क्वेश्चन को. Okay, let us move toward the next question. Here we have completed these two questions. Now we will move toward the next question. Now you must have noticed that the previously these two questions, they were having only the meter part in them. Only meter part was given. Now we will add the centimeter part also, and then you have to convert them into centimeter. Say question is 3 meter 12 centimeter, and question number D is 6 meter 44 centimeter. Come on, solve this question. Three meter 12 centimeter, and next question is 6 meter 44 centimeter. Okay, let us do. So 3 meter 12 centimeter. See, यहाँ पे तो क्या है? यहाँ पे centimeter part is also given. So what we will do? First line will remain the same. That is 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Now 3 meter 12 centimeter is equals to 3 meter plus 12 centimeter. Okay. Now, अब देखो यहाँ पे what I am having with me 3 मीटर एंड 12 सेंटीमीटर। ठीक है, तो जब क्वेश्चन में मीटर पार्ट एंड सेंटीमीटर पार्ट दोनों दिया है, सो अगर हमारे क्वेश्चन में दोनों पार्ट्स दिए हैं, सेंटीमीटर पार्ट भी मीटर पार्ट भी, देन हम सेंटीमीटर को तो सेंटीमीटर में नहीं ना कन्वर्ट करेंगे, वी विल कन्वर्ट ओनली मीटर पार्ट, वी वोंट कन्वर्ट द सेंटीमीटर पार्ट इनटू सेंटीमीटर, वी विल ओनली कन्वर्ट द मीटर पार्ट। सो लेट अस कन्वर्ट now 3 into 100 centimeter plus 12 centimeter. Now 3 into 100 centimeter will give us 300 centimeter and plus 12 centimeter, and together they will form 312 centimeter. Okay, this is my answer for question number C. Now do question number D. Okay, let us do question number D. Now, see, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Now, 6 meter 44 centimeter equals to 6 meter plus 44 centimeter. Now 6 meter we are having here. We are having 6 meter. Now, so we will convert this 6 meter. Converting this 6 meter we will get 6 into 100 centimeter plus 6 into 100 centimeter plus 44 centimeter. 6 into 100 centimeter plus 44 centimeter. Now together we will get 600 centimeter plus 44 centimeter, and our answer will be 644 centimeter. Come on, jot it down. Match your answer with this one. Okay, now let us move toward the next question. So here we have done conversion of meter and centimeter. Now the next question that we are going to do will be based on conversion of kilometer and meter. Okay. Now let us see. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Okay. Now if 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, then 3 kilometer will be equals to, if 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, then 3 kilometer is equals to 3 into 1000 meter. 3 into 1000 meter. Okay. So 3 into 1000 meter, that means 3000 मीटर. सो हमने क्या किया, मल्टीप्लाई किया 1000 और हमने क्या किया, कन्वर्ट किया. ओके, हमने मल्टीप्लाई करके कन्वर्ट किया. सो 1 किलोमीटर इक्वल्स टू 1000 मीटर. नाउ सिमिलरली 3 kilometer equals to 3 into 1000 meter, and together we have got 3000 meter. Okay, now let us do some more question. Okay, moving toward the next question. So our next question is convert into meter, and our question is 8 kilometer. Question is 8 kilometer. Come on, convert this. Yes, convert this. Completed? Yes? Okay. See, we will start this question with 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Now 8 kilometer equals to 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Then 8 kilometer equals to 8 into 1000 meter, and our answer will be 8000 meter. Okay, answer will be 8000 meter. Okay, so this question contains only meter part, है ना, I mean only kilometer part. Going to take a next question where kilometer and meter both parts will be there. Okay, now next question is 8 kilometer 425 meter. 8 kilometer and 425 meter. Come on, solve this question. Come on, do this question. Do this question yourself. See, so 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. If 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, then 8 kilometer 425 meter is equals to 8 kilometer plus 425 meter. Now what we will do, we will convert only this 8 kilometer wala part. We will only convert this part. Okay, now converting them, this we will get 8 into 1000 meter plus 425 meter. Now 8000 meter plus 425 meter, and we will get our answer as 8425 meter. This is what? This is our answer for this question. Okay. Complete this. Completed? Now here we have done the conversion part. What we have done? We have done the conversion part. Now I am going to give some question based on addition. After conversion, the next point is addition. Okay, next question is what? Addition. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to add the following number. So our first number is 15 meter 18 centimeter. 15 meter 18 centimeter and 12 meter 12 centimeter. Okay, this we have to add. So what is the first thing that we will do here? Very first thing that we will do here, we will make two headings, that is meter and centimeter. Now 15 meter 18 centimeter. So 15 meter and 18 centimeter. Okay. Next we are having 12 meter and 12 centimeter. Come on, add these two together. Okay, let us do. So we will start with the rightmost place. We will start this question from this place, 8 plus 2. Okay? Now, 8 plus 2 we will get 10. 8 plus 2 we will get 10. So for 10 we will write 0 here and we'll give carry 1 at the next place. Now moving towards the next place we are having 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. What is the last one? This is the carry. Okay? So 1 plus 1 plus 1. Last one is carry. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So our answer is 3. Now moving toward this side. Now here I am having 5 plus 2. Okay, here I am having 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 will give us 5 plus 2 will give me 7. So my answer here is 7. And at the last place of meter we are having 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 together will give us 2. So my answer for this question is 27 meter and 30 centimeter. This is my answer for this question. 25 meter and 30 centimeter. Come on, do it. Now let us do other questions. See, next question is 36 meter, 14 centimeter and 18 meter and 58 centimeter. Come on, add these numbers together. Come on, add this number together. Completed? Okay. So meter and centimeter. 36 meter, 14 centimeter, 18 meter, 58 centimeter, and then we have to add them together. Now 8 plus 4, 9. 8 plus 4. So together we will get 9, 10, 11, 12. No, for 12 we will write 2 here and we will give carry 1 at the top. Okay. Now here we are having 1 plus 5 and plus 1 carry. Now 5 1 6 1, 1 carry 7. 5 1 6 plus 1, we have got 7 as our answer here. This place at meters first place we are having 6 plus 8. Now 6 plus 8 we are having 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6 plus 8 we will get 14. Okay. So for 14 what you will write? For 14 you will write here 4 here and will give carry 1 at the top. Now here I am having 3 plus 1, 4, 1, 5. So 3 plus 1 plus carry 1. So together they will form 3 plus 1, 4 and 4 plus 1, 5. So my answer for this question is 54 meter 72 centimeter. See, addition of length is very much similar to normal addition. What is the basic difference? The only difference is that you have to put the units here. खाली एक difference जो यहाँ पे है, that you have to put the unit. आपने क्या करना है? Unit यहाँ पे लगानी. Otherwise, see, process of addition is same, carry देना is same. So all these things are same. Only difference is that you have to put the unit there. Okay, so today what we have done? Today we have done the conversion. एक तो conversion किया meter to centimeter, meter and centimeter to centimeter. Then हमने किया length का addition. Okay, addition अभी हमने किया है meter and centimeter का. Now अभी हमें क्या करना बाकी है? Now we have to do the addition of kilometer and meter. Then we will do word problems, lots of things. We will revise lots of things. Although we have covered all those things in the chapter, but still, yes, but still we will do this in our next class. Okay, bye bye.